In this question, you're given that the roots of ax square plus x plus b is equal to 0 are real. If that is so, what can you say about the roots of this equation? X square minus 4 root ab times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So again, this is a question based on the nature of roots. Again, you know the concept. We need to look at the discriminant of each of these equations. And this is a time to pause the video and see whether you will be able to do it on your own. So now, let us analyze the given information. Ax square plus x plus b is equal to 0. The roots are real. That means the discriminant of this equation is positive. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. B square means the coefficient of x whole square minus 4 times the first coefficient into the constant term is greater than 0. The roots are real. Next, what can you say about the roots of this? The roots of this can be obtained from the nature of the discriminant. So what is the discriminant of this? Delta is equal to 16ab minus 4. That is equal to 4 times 4ab minus 1. So 1 minus 4ab is greater than 0. Hence 4ab minus 1 is obviously less than 0. Hence the delta of this is negative. Hence the roots are imaginary. Option D is the right answer. Thank you.